Holy basil benefits. Why Tulsi is the queen of adaptogen herbs for stress and anxiety. This video is about the holy basil benefits. Holy basil belongs to adaptogens family of herbs which are known to lower stress and anxiety. Adaptogens help the body adapt to environmental, physical, and emotional stressors, support normal functions, and restore balance. Holy basil is also known as Tulsi. It is known as sacred plant in Hinduism. It is worshipped and used in spiritual rituals. Its daily use promotes health, well-being, and longevity. Tulsi is still traditionally grown in pots in every family home, so you can easily grow it in your kitchen garden. It is commonly used in salads, spreads, stews, and even desserts. Tulsi tea is also a very popular drink. Tulsi tea is a relaxing tea which is known to induce relaxation similar to yoga. And you can consume Tulsi tea daily as a lifestyle practice. Even though it belongs to the same family as basil, this plant has huge benefits and medicinal properties that go further than its sweet aroma. Its leaves, stems, and seeds are consumed as herbal medicine. You can eat its 5 fresh leaves daily, or take a teaspoon of Tulsi seeds with water. It is most commonly used with other herbs for medicinal purposes. It is known as Queen of Herbs or Elixir of Life in Ayurveda or Indian system of medicine. It has a long list of medicinal properties. So how holy basil fights stress? It balances out stress hormones. It lowers the cortisol hormone and makes you stress-free. It relieves various symptoms of depression including anxiety. Its antidepressant properties are comparable to antidepressant prescription drugs. Tulsi enhances memory and cognitive function and protects against age-related memory loss. Studies show that it improves general stress scores, sexual and sleep problems. Tulsi has antioxidant properties to protect against chemical stress. It enhances the activity of detoxification enzymes of the liver. It is also effective against metabolic conditions like diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol and lipids, heart disease, and stroke. It regulates blood sugar. Tulsi tea is also used for respiratory disorders like asthma, bronchitis, and common colds. It has anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, and antiviral properties. Holy basil essential oil or tincture is used in cosmetics like lotions, soaps, perfumes, shampoos, and hair conditioners. It is good for skin and hair. Holy basil can be used to cure various skin conditions including acne. It is also good for oral and dental health. Holy basil is generally considered safe for consumption, but it can lower your fertility. So if you are taking diabetes medicine, you will have to adjust your medicine dose. Holy basil also worsens hypothyroidism. It lowers thyroxine hormone. Holy basil may slow down blood clotting and may increase the risk of bleeding after surgery. It can also interfere with your prescription drugs. So always talk to your doctor before taking any supplements, especially if you have some medical condition or taking prescription drugs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and share and like the video. Alongside with holy basil or tulsi, you can also consider ashwagandha, which is another good adaptogen herb. I have already uploaded a video on it, please check that out. Thank you.